Hey guys, Terry here with the Forest Farm Project. Today I've got a little tip. Involves tape and insulation in the arms. I just came out from under the house. There's old insulation under this house, and that stuff can really be rough. It gets all in your skin and it's just boogery and it feels bad. Get it on my hands, doesn't bother me a bit. Get below the wrist, I cry like a baby. So anyway, I was watching a heat man working one day and he had his duct tape out, and I said, hey man, give me a piece of that duct tape. So he did, and I took that piece of duct tape and I peeled the piece off, doubled it back over on itself so the sticky side's out, stuck it between my fingers like that, and you can see it's pulling my skin out. When it quits sticking, spin it around because you got the other side yet. You see how that does? And you would be amazed how well that pulls the insulation out of your arms. If you still feel some, do it again. Trust me, it works. Give it a try. See you next time.